For many years, New Yorkers had no avenue to protect themselves in the event they were involved in a self-defense incident. What we built out was a prepaid legal plan for New York self-defenders and New York gun owners, custom tailored for New Yorkers in particular. So very recently, we had a situation, we got a complete dismissal for our client. He was an enrolled client in New York Tax Defense, and he was involved in a self-defense incident. He made a call, we jumped into action. I immediately called the man's wife because we maintain an emergency contact. We arranged with a bail bondsman and his wife to be in court the next day for the arraignment. We were able to get him out on his own recognizance the next morning. Luckily, everything was captured on video. After about a 6-7 month fight, we were able to get all the charges dismissed.
When I ended up in Peter's office, he seems very caring, and then he told me that I'll be okay, and that totally relieved all stress. When I walked out of his office, I feel like I was being a new man. Thank God I had a retainer with his firm. Otherwise, I would have to come up with $70,000 retainer just to take the case.
When you find yourself charged with a felony in New York because you discharged a firearm, the level of anxiety, the level of fear that you could lose everything, that you could go to state prison in New York is terrifying. The nice thing about our client in this case was he felt like he had the right team in place and we were confident, which gave him the confidence. I'm sure in the back of his mind, he always wondered what would happen until he finally got that dismissal. He always wondered if he was going to lose everything.